Good evening guys, welcome back to Financial Independence channel. So in this video let's look at what's next, which is especially on Nifty 50, why stocks are continuously falling, why FIs are booking their profits and continuously selling side, and why is the stocks on even on good earnings report, on quarterly reports, why it is falling. This is what we are going to discuss in this video. Also let's look at the levels after this, because today it has continuously after like last 2 3 days it is continuously falling. So let's look at what is the next scope for Nifty 50. So let's get into the video. So you can see market has continuously fallen. It has made a top at 18,623 and today at 17,800, almost close to close to 800 points had fallen from the upside. So before getting discussing about this candle, let's discuss about Sunday video which we discussed on. Like the Sunday video which was posted. So I had explained that since 12th October it has one, four gap ups, one, two, three, three gap ups, and that is unfilled gap. So after making the top, it started filling the gaps. So it was about to make a rounded bottom, but luckily due to FI sellings or booking profits happening, it has almost filled almost or it has completely filled all the gaps which had created on 12th, 13th, 14th and 18th October. So all the gaps are filled as of now. So any gap up should be filled, and that is a healthy retracement levels. So what is going to be next is like market is currently taking support at 17,850 or 17,889 levels. So if Nifty starts sustaining above 17,889 levels, or I'm expecting it should consolidate here like a bit for a while, and then it should start its up move again, because it has made only a single top. It should at least make a double top to make a crash kind of scenario, or a big correction should come after that. As of now it has only filled the gaps, so these are just retracements. I'm expecting this should give a consolidation and start moving. But why is FI is continuously selling in this market? FIs had sold almost close to 10,000 crores in the more than 10,000 crores in the last 1 month, just because they are they are shifting their focus to the next market, which is China. China has almost bottomed out, and there is a good scope for investment as of now. Any smart money or smart investor would rotate their money around different sectors or different investment. So that is what happening here. Market, you can see it has made a stellar run, and now the brokerages of the brokerage, the big brokerages, Jeffries and many more had given downside rating for almost most of the stocks. So that is the reason many stocks are falling even at good earnings. And you can see most of the stocks had skyrocketed. If you see TCS, you can see it was made a stellar run. You can see continuous rise after a consolidation. It made a after a consolidation around 3,400 levels. It made almost close to 700 points on the upside, and now after the results it started falling. Why? Because the news is already factored in. We know that it will come up with a very good results. The estimates, everything is good, but doesn't. Uh, I mean, like the news is already factored in, or it has already made a very good run, but it doesn't. I mean, like the estimates, it doesn't beat the estimates. So it is up to estimates, but doesn't beat the estimates. So the profit booking came and started falling. Next, you can see ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank is underperforming due to the COVID situation, the loan lendings, the increasing NPAs, but it has given a breakout just because this quarter it has come up with a very good results. It has beaten the estimates, so market started to take it in a positive mode. It went almost close to 860, 870 levels. sorry 866, and then now a consolidation is happening. If you see Bajaj Finance now today, it has come up with a good results, but it has made a almost a very good run in the past. Now it has doesn't beat the estimate, so it started booking the profits and there is a fall happening. So this way market or the smart money rotates from one one investment to the other investment. So this is common on a longer time frame. For a smart investor to sustain in the market, they should start learning and adapted getting adapted to these kind of situations. So now what is next for Nifty? Nifty should consolidate here, should consolidate at this area and should start moving on the upside. Either it should make a double top and then it should start falling, or if there is any serious selling on the downside, it should move towards 17,400 levels. So this is next. This is what the prediction from market analysis on the Nifty 50. So do not panic. Do not panic sell on this. Do not panic sell on your holdings. So if you had any doubts, you can reach me anytime on your holdings on your portfolio. I can, I'm happy to help you on your or guide you on your portfolios. So that's all, guys. That's all for today, and hope this information is useful for you. Thanks, guys. Good night. Bye.